Did you know many people are having trouble with Bluetooth audio playback on their Infinity radio? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check connection. Ensure that your Bluetooth connection is properly established with the radio. Check if your device is listed as PRV315.2 and pair it with the code 0000 if needed. Step 2. Adjust volume. Make sure both the radio and your device are set to an audible volume level. Adjust the volume on both devices to ensure sound output. Step 3. Secure cables. Inspect all speaker connections for any loose wires or plugs. Secure them to guarantee audio can flow through the speakers properly. Step 4. Restart devices. Restart the Infinity radio and your Bluetooth device. Power them off, wait a few seconds, and switch them back on to address temporary issues. Step 5. Reset system. Perform a factory reset if issues persist. Navigate to System Settings on the radio and select the Factory Reset option to clear any system glitches. By following these steps, you should now have seamless audio playback from your device. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Infinity users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.